Hello, students. How are you? I hope that you are safe at your home. I am your science teacher and I will discuss forest chapter. Now understand what is a forest. Forests are the natural wealth which provide us many valuable products. It means forests provide all things which we need, and there are some points which are related to a forest. Forests are of different kinds depending upon the climate and soil type of the area. It means there are forests are different types of, for example, desert forest, deciduous forest, mountain forest, that are depend upon a soil and their climate. Now, second point is forests are the lifeline for the living community. It means that forests are the life. Without forest, we can't or think about life because we fully depend on a forest. A forest is a large area covered with different kinds of trees, shrubs, herbs, and where many kinds of animal live. It means in forest every types of tree, shrubs, herbs, and animals are also found in a forest. About one third of the world land surface is covered with forest. And last point is about 21% of our country's total area consists of forest. It means in India 21% is covered by a forest. Now, uses of forest. Forest is very useful for us and there are some points. For first point is useful products. From forest we get timber, gums, honey, wax, medicine, nuts, fruits, vegetables. Many types of products we receive from a forest. Second point is purify the air. Forest helping in purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide, monoxide, etc. and, and by releasing oxygen. Now the third point is provide oxygen. You know very well that tree provide us oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. That is why forest also called a green lungs of a nature. Green lungs. It means that in our body lungs purify air. In the same process, tree purify environment of our earth. Now, second point is control soil erosion. The root of the trees bind the soil particles so that they cannot be easily carried away by winds and water. It means forests help in a soil erosion. Now, next point is control floods. Root of the tree absorb much of the rainwater that seeps under the earth. It means that root absorb lots of water when there is rain. Now second point is increase soil fertility. Leaves from the tree fall on the ground, decomposes and add humus to the soil. It means it develops types of a manure in our soil. Now next point is reduce global warming. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help in cooling the environment. Now, last point is provide shelter to plants and animals. Forests are home for a variety of the plants and wild animals. Different types of animals and different types of plants are found in a forest. For example, lion, tiger, lizard, snake, etc. Now, food chain. What do you mean by food chain? The process of food transfer from plants through a series of organisms. It means every plant depend on each other for their food. For example, grass, deer eats grass, lion eats deer. This is a sequence of a food chain. Second example is grass. Grasshopper eats grass, frog eat grasshopper, snake eat grass, and last is a eagle. Eagle eat snake. This is called a food chain. Now, what is food web? the interconnected network of food chain. It is interconnected. It means lots of food chain become a food web. For example, grass can be food for grasshopper as well as cow, goat, deer, rabbit, horse. These are herbivorous and can be eaten by a carnivorous. Now, deforestation. What do you mean by deforestation? A large scale cutting of tree in a forest is called a deforestation. It means cutting down a forest is called a deforestation. What is the reason behind the deforestation? First point is increasing human population. Increasing human population means if there is a large number of people, then their requirements also increases. Modernization. It means our lifestyle is changes. We require more things. Now, second point is soil erosion, floods, change in climate. All these are reason behind deforestation. Now, how you conserve forest? Conservation is very necessary because without forest we can't think about life. So how you conserve our forest? First, wastage of timber and fuel wood should be avoided. Second, grazing of cattle in forest should be avoided because animals after grazing there is lots of scarcity of a forest. Third point is forest fires should be prevented. Large scale afforestation should be done. Afforestation means planting of tree. We should planting more and more tree. Now, last point is national park, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserve should be put up. It means our government reserve some park or wildlife sanctuary for protection of animals and also for a forest. Thank you.